MARTA service programs for high school students. And it is actually part of the Kiwanis programs, which is adult volunteer. So, if I can have the officers come up here. So, my name is Kaylee Arndt, and I'm the president.
Hi, my name is Kylie Arndt, and I'm the vice president.
My name is Pod Commissary, I'm the editor.
Hi, my name is Brianna, Hi, and I'm Bob. Nice to meet you, I'm the general officer. Hi.
Thank you all for coming up here. Okay, so dues are $25, but this actually includes a t-shirt. And we'll actually be voting on the t-shirts today, later. And if you pay the dues by the next meeting, which is October 21st, your name will actually be put in a drawing to win one of 2 Starbucks gift cards. And they're $5 each. Everyone loves coffee, so make sure you pay your dues soon. And we also get an early bird patch to put on our banner. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but we always have it for like registration here at West Fargo. We had it up and stuff. And so we get a patch to put on there if they're in by November 1st, but our goal is at the next meeting. So these are our t-shirts. We have a lovely yellow that has community service starts here. We also have it in blue. And then we have this one that's in a gray, and it just says Key Club, West Fargo Public Schools, 2015.
Are we having West Fargo Public Schools or just West Fargo?
It says West Fargo Public Schools. So, if you all want to put your heads down, and we'll be raising our hands. Okay, if you vote for the yellow community service shirt, raise your hand, please. And if you vote for the gray Key Club West Fargo Public Schools, please raise your hand. And finally, if you vote for the blue community service, raise your hand. You may all put your hands down and sit up. So, the winner is this lovely blue community service starts here shirt.
Yay!
Okay, so now we will be going over the projects since the last meeting we had. So this was the West Fest Parade. These were pictures of us decorating it. And then this was the people that walked it. And this is the actual card that Bobby's sister Hannah let us use and put on. So, any questions about what we did there or anything? Okay. Next is concessions. So more people than this volunteered, but we only got the one picture. So if you do have pictures of any of these projects, feel free to send them in, and I'll make sure that they're shared. So this is just us in a little concession stand with some gloves and stuff. It was a lot of fun. And then this is Rally for Change. We actually learned about this after the last meeting, so only me and Kylie went. But we made dog toys, fleece blankets, superhero capes, and stuff like that. And if you guys want to do any of those, just let us know, and we can implement them into our meetings. And we did that with some different key clubs, and also with the Circle K from both Concordia and NDSU. And then we did Allie and who all project was that? Allie and was it? Okay. Do you guys want to kind of describe what you guys did there?
Yeah, it was basically just like we did crafts and we painted kids' faces and we like painted pumpkins and just hung out with the kids that came.
And there'll actually be another one like that on October 31st, and I'll be having that later in the PowerPoint too. So, you guys for setting that up. Next, me and Kylie will be doing a little demo of how to set up your own project. So Kylie's gonna act like the person that I'm calling. And then just so you guys know, Kayla would be like looking on a speech that I already prepared for you for some of them. Okay. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Hi, this is Kaylee Arndt from West Fargo Public Schools Tea Club. I was wondering if you had any volunteering available. Yes, how many would you like to bring? It'll be like 10 to 15 or maybe less. I'll let you, can I call you back once I find out the actual numbers? Certainly you can. We have a few volunteering opportunities. One of them is on October 31st for Halloween. We just need a few people to come and help volunteer and make faces. Okay, I'll let you know as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Yep.
That's as hard as it is right there. Very good, lady.
Thank you very much. Did you guys think it was any harder than that when you called? So then you would just bring it up to one of the to either me or one of the other officers, and you can either talk to everyone about it or you can have me talk to everyone about it. And that's all that there is to it. Okay, so these are some upcoming events. They're also printed on your sheet if you can't read them. So freerice.com is an all year long project. You can do this in your own time, and you simply search freerice.com. You just answer questions on it, and it's pretty simple questions, and then you can just write it in, and it's in club project, and you can get up to 2 hours, was it? 10 hours, sorry, I misspoke. You can get up to 10 hours onto this, and you just do that in your free time. So if you don't have a lot of time, but you find some time, or you just like to answer it, you can just check it out, and it counts for hours, so that's always good.
It's like a trivia game. Has anybody not seen Free Rice before? Or do you guys all know about it? You guys don't? Okay, if you go to www.freerice.com, you can pick any category. Like there's even German, there's Spanish, there's history, there's biology. So like you could even do like review questions for some upcoming, quiz or test or something. And then you just answer the questions. And if you get it right, yay, and if you get it right, they tell you what the answer is. And the point is, the more questions you ask, the more free rice goes in this little bowl, on your screen. And then each grain of rice that you get in your bowl helps or adds up to a certain number of pounds of food that will be sent to a third world country that doesn't have food. And so it's really handy because while you're actually using your brains, you're also feeding somebody else's belly. And it's kind of nice because you can just do it, and if you like trivia stuff, just pick a random thing, just a random category, and just start. Because as you answer, if you answer really well, the questions might get a little harder, but if you don't answer really well, the questions get easier. And so it kind of gives you this little score and stuff like that. But it's just a really neat way to be able to answer some trivia questions or review for a class while you're, helping out someone else who doesn't have enough food for their day. Okay.
Are there any questions about free rice? So then we have Can Drive Stage 2, which I saw a lot of you guys actually brought cans. That's really awesome. Is there any place that you guys want to donate to? Like if you have a certain place in mind, like the emergency food pantry, or just like some groups that your church has, or anything like that? In that case, the advisors will just spread it out to the different food pantries. And then, so the next project, which we will be folding boxes today.
Yeah, I've got these little boxes right up here, trick or treat for UNICEF.
So we just fold these boxes, and then we'll just bring it back at the next meeting, and you can you get change, and all the change goes towards UNICEF, which helps out with like babies and like neonatal diseases and stuff like that.
And helps prevent birth defects and things like that.
That will be after the meeting. And then we have Yonkers Farm, Not So Scary Halloween. This is like the pumpkin patch that Allie and Katrina and Taryn, I'm sorry. They set up this project and they'll be doing it again on the 31st. And these are the times and they're actually printed and we'll have a sign up for that. Do you guys want to talk about it at all? Anything else about it? No? Okay.
Do you have the sign-up sheet?
I'll have it out after the meeting. And then Hat Day is October 30th, so that's the Friday before Halloween. And we're going to be doing a Hat Day, and it's at both high schools. I'll have a sign up for you guys after the meeting too for that one. And then Operation Christmas Child will be November 18th. That's the meeting in a couple weeks. And we're just going to be boxing gifts and like shopping for people. And then we ship that overseas for people to open for like their little Christmas gift, because how would you feel if you didn't have a Christmas gift? So we're going to be making them for them. Does anyone have any questions so far? Okay, and then if anyone has any other possible projects or events, just come talk to me or any of the other officers or advisors. Okay, now is the time for Silver Smiles. Oh, did you get some of that? Here, you can do Here you go. So if you guys
Walker,
don't
should I
know
put
what
Silver Smiles up on
Smile
the
is,
video? Or should I
if you
pause it?
don't know what a Silver Smile is,